I've been having a bit of trouble with styling this. The font size is a bit crazy because, yeah, see it goes crazy like that when that happens, and so I'll try that again. Yeah, alright, that's almost what it should be. At least it's not too big to fit on the screen. So anyway, set this user as the operator, and then load the G code from the operator. Oh, load G code from operator. That should work. There we go. And then next, send. Cat's causing mischief. Alright. That's still not where it should be. There we go. Oh, the cat's eating a chicken nugget on the floor. Alright, when the locations match, then normally it triggers the next line to appear over here, and then those destinations are updated. And I think if I go to a different line, yeah, next, send. Oh, it sometimes does that as well, which is kind of annoying. Machine connect. Alright. Right, so that destination should be where that location is, otherwise it thinks it's already reached its destination, and but the web page doesn't. Like the microcontroller thinks it's reached the destination, but the web page is a different number. So let's see if I go to here, set operator, load G code, and then next, and no, next again. Yeah, there we go. That's the destination for that axis, which is currently at 500. So if I send that, then it should reach it pretty quick. Right, and now it's right. There we go. So it went up to 500, and now it's back to down to there. The yeah, see the first row there, the first blade just changed, and now it's going somewhere else, sort of, and the other one should be doing their thing as well, but they're not. How about if I send this? There we go. It's a massive headache. So, so does the, how about if I do that?